and positive is the parameter. So positive, okay. Of course you need to spell this correctly. Okay, if you do that, then positive class is owner, and you see that the statistics, sensitivity, specificity, so on, they are different now, because you're looking at it from the perspective that owner is the positive class. Okay. All right. Now let's look at setting this up in Excel, and then we will be using this later on. What we need to do is, okay, I'm not going to go over that part, fit statistics. Okay, so we have cutoff propensity is 0.5. So we're going to use formulas now, so this will get automatically updated. So the total is count of cases. All right. Now this probability is for owner. So well, let's do this first. We can do well, the actual class. Okay, so that's what we would do. Count if, so the actual class is here, okay, and then you say owner. Count if owner. Okay, so that's going to give us the number of owners. Okay. And then we have, we can set this up as just a difference. Well, the other way around. That minus that will give you the number of owners. Okay. Now we can set up prediction. How many are we going to predict as owner? Okay, this prediction is going to come from the probabilities. Okay. So these probabilities, okay, we need to check these probabilities with that cutoff point, and you can do that by you need to concatenate this greater than sign with that. Okay. So these two will be combined, so you get greater than 0.5. Okay. So, and then once again, we can do this by difference. Okay. That good? All right. So now we have two. We need to check two things. We need to see whether the actual class is owner, and then we have to see whether the predicted class is owner. Predicted class will be owner if the corresponding probability is greater than 0.5. So we have two things to check. Okay. And here is the okay. So criteria range 1. Criteria range 1 is that one. Okay. And owner. Then criteria range 2, the second one. So that's our propensity and the criterion is what? Is greater than, put an ampersand and 0.5. Okay. So this is going to do two checks. Okay. One for the actual column, one for the probability. All right, so now we can set up everything else. So like that minus that, and that minus that, then that minus that will give, so that will give you the confusion matrix. And now accuracy is the sum of these two divided by that, and misclassification or error rate is these two divided by that. Or we can also compute this by that. Okay. So with this confusion matrix, we're going to compute all the statistics that are generated with the confusion matrix function of caret. So how are these statistics computed? What do they represent? Okay. We'll look at that next time.